Namaste. In this session, we will see how to install the different versions of the Python in the Raspberry Pi. So by default, while installing the OS, if we check the Python version, okay, you just type Python and V. This may be okay, though this is not Python. I need to just type Python 3 because we need Python 3 and 3.7.3. Okay. But I installed the older version, that's why it is 3.7.3. But in the newer version, you may get 3.9, 3.8 or the upcoming versions. Now at currently 3.9. Okay, so but while learning this machine learning, I prefer 3.7 at this time because many of the packages that we are going to install in the future experiments that will be using, that means all those packages they are properly working the 3.7. I have not checked with 3.8 or 3.9, that is the recent one. So 3.7, I prefer 3.7. So in order to install this 3.7, here I have one small file, that means the commands that you need to execute one by one. Now I already have 3.7, but also I'm just executing it in order to show to you how this will going to work. So this command will going to download the 3.7 that tar.xz file. Then we need to unzip that. Okay, yeah, we will just do it again. So currently I have already installed the 3.7, but also just showing how to install 3.7. If you don't have 3.7, then I'm just going to show you how to install this 3.7. Okay, so you just have to execute this command by command. I think you have understand. Now again I'm not going to do this. So here this will going to take this make command will going to not make command, this /configure command, this will going to take around 15 minutes. So I'm not going to show again that same things, but this file I'm going to share with you. Just execute this command as it is. Now just previously I installed 3.9 just to check. In the similar way, here instead of 3.7 I changed to 3.9, 3.9.0, and I checked whether it will install properly or not. Now if I check Python 3.9 and slash, okay, I just typed 3.9. so here you can see now it is 3.9.0. This I just installed. So I'm not telling about 3.9, you need to install the 3.7. so whenever you type Python 3.7, this has to give like this, Python 3.7.3 default like this it has to give. Okay, or you just type Python 3. Whenever you type Python 3, it has to give 3.7.3, that is the default. Now it is a default that alias is set. So I think you understood how to install the different versions of this one. This will I'm going to share with you. After this we need to install the OpenCV, that we will learn in the next session how to install this OpenCV. So before that you make sure that you are in the Python 3.7. okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.